Y'all can tell, but that looks clean, especially like silver line, silver, like that just matches perfectly. Next is we're gonna be installing the new shifter plate trim, and we're gonna be installing the new shifter. Way better. I'm speechless, guys. I'm absolutely speechless by how much better it looks, not just looks wise, but feel wise. Just started, and overall this middle is already looking absolutely clean. Welcome back, YouTube family. This is SUBZERU Vlogs, back with another video just for you guys. If you guys are tuning in, this is part 2 of my interior mods project that I have for my Subaru WRX. If you guys checked out the last video, you're gonna know that we had just did the shifter knob, the shifter plate, and the climate controls on the Subaru WRX. What is next that's gonna be coming? It's gonna be the interior dash kit and also the back carbon fiber cover for the logo. If you guys haven't checked out the previous video, I'm gonna put a link right at the top right here. Go ahead and check out part 1. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I installed everything and went about everything. If you guys like this video though, hit the like button, follow the journey, hit the subscribe button, and man, I'm so excited. This interior is gonna go from looking super cheap to looking super nice. Hope everyone enjoys the video. Let's have a good one. Peace. All right, so this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the interior dash kit. As a quick reminder, it's gonna be taking off these fake carbon fiber accent pieces and putting on these gloss black pieces. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look so good. But we're gonna go ahead and install these. It's gonna be very simple. If you have a flat edge or something that's very flat, easy, you can come here and all you're gonna do is just pop this out just like that, and just go ahead and just pop out the entire piece. Not to do anything too hard on it, but you're just gonna come here, nice, easy, just pop everything out. It's gonna just pop right out. So very simple, not too difficult. We're gonna go ahead and just pop this out. I'll put this right here for now. And all you're gonna wanna do is then go ahead and take this piece. You're gonna line it up, put it up right here, and all you're gonna do is just press in and attach it. So come in, pop, 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 pop. So once you get everything popped in, very simple. You see there's gonna be some fingerprint marks. So let's get a nice little wipe. Let's go ahead and get that wiped down. And there you go, there you have it. So that's how that's looking, and oh my gosh, is that looking? Yo, hold up, yo, this is looking insane, absolutely insane. I'm not sure if quality is really doing it justice, but this red and black gloss look really good in person. It really just matches well with all the other red and black accents I have going on inside of the vehicle. Oh, that's clean. That's absolutely clean. Check a look at that. That's unreal. That makes the interior look so much better, especially with all these other parts as well. The shifter plate, the shifter, carbon fiber, black wheel, red cob access port, even the red seats. I got my new Brom seats coming in, but everything's gonna match up really well. The other side's gonna be the exact same. You're gonna come here and just basically do the exact same thing for this side, take that off, and we're in business. All right, so very simple. When you go ahead and pop this piece out right here, you're gonna attach this. There's just 2 clips. Very simple, 2 clips. This is actually gonna be my fog lights. So you just press this. This is my fog light, so I like having it here. So it's very simple to, you know, just turn on, turn off. But overall, very easy to install. Very easy. Did not take long at all to install these pieces, but damn, does it change just everything inside of here. I love the way these look. I'm not sure if the color is doing any justice with the lighting, but it really matches well with the cob access port, with the back side over here, with the Subiespeed shifter, with the shifter plate and the carbon fiber wheel. It all really just kind of comes together. Woo! So let me show y'all how everything is looking now. It is absolutely fantastic in here. I love how the red just contrasts with everything. It looks really, really good in here. The black and red, the red right there, the seats. I got my new Brom seats coming, which is gonna really just make it look that much better. Got the red striping now with the gloss black. Red gloss black, red gloss black, red gloss black. You guys can see red gloss black. It's definitely the theme. Even got the red and the black right there. This is sick. This is sick. This is dope. Black climate controls. Matches much better now. I took out a lot of the plastics, a lot of the silvers, and really got nice quality materials. I think it does a great job of not only looking sporty, but just looking clean. And honestly, just making it look just like it's better quality and just doesn't look cheap. Doesn't look overly cheap in here to me. I'm not sure if videos is doing it justice in here, but it is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous in here. So as y'all see, the theme on the inside in the car is obviously a lot of red accents. You already know I got a lot of red accents from the engine bay right here. Man, this thing is, whoo, wait, hold up, turn this on me, dog. Turn this on me, dog, on me. I am pumped, man. Look at this. Bro, I built this. Like, I hope you guys understand. I am just so excited. Like, I built this Subaru, man. Like, this Subaru, I did that, all the red, the inside. Like, take a look at this, man. Like, check this out, man. Like, look how sick this is. Oh my gosh, dog. This is a Subaru. A WRX, a Subaru WRX. Looks this clean. Looks this clean, man. Like, that's the thing, man. You guys can build any car you want. You can do anything you want with any car. All you gotta do is put in the work, have creativity to it. Even the wheels, take a look at the wheels. Ooh, ooh. I hope y'all are ready for what's gonna be coming next with this car. Big, huge, insane things are coming. Just, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. But I gotta be honest, this blue, oh my gosh, this blue is sick. Like, what do you guys think? That kind of blue on this Subaru. Like, imagine this blue with the red accents. Imagine all the red accents with that dark blue. Oh my gosh, like, this blue is so clean. That ocean dark blue. What do you think? Like, imagine that blue on that. Like, this, don't get me wrong, it's super dope. But that blue with all the red accents that are going on, oh my gosh, imagine the blue. Oh, that would be just sick with the red. Yeah, whatever I decide, it's gonna be absolutely insane. Let's get back to the video. Like I said, the last thing I have to do, this is gonna be the easiest thing, is just getting this switched out, getting that to be black and red, with a carbon fiber black and red cover. That way it really just matches everything on the car. The red will obviously match everything that's going on. So all we're gonna do is get that switched. And we're gonna get that switched right here. Woo! It's crazy how something so little can make everything flow so much better. Oh my gosh, why didn't I do that earlier? Oh my gosh. Why didn't I do that earlier, y'all? What was I thinking? Look at that. Yeah, imagine that blue on that car, man. That blue would be sick. Again, like I said, I love the rainbow, but it's just, oh my gosh. Let me come over here real quick. Oh my gosh. Like, it's pretty insane. The amount of red that I have on my Subaru is pretty insane. Absolutely insane. Like, this isn't cheap stuff. This is forged wheels, like everything you can think of bolted on, basically. Got the whole interior done. Like, I don't know, man. I know people hating the WRX, but these things are clean, man. The interiors of these things are absolutely insane. anyway guys, that's the video. That's the 2-part series. Have lots of other stuff, content coming for the Subaru, and stay tuned. Lots of stuff is coming for this year for the channel, and I'm just so appreciative, guys. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. I'm so appreciative of everyone that's been subscribing and following this channel. We're so close to 10,000, so close to 10,000, guys. So if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button, and like I keep saying, put in the comments below what you guys want me to do for my page as far as more videos, as far as more content, and let me know what I can do to make my videos even that much more fun, to make you guys want to go ahead and click the view button. Everyone have a blessed day, have a great day, and like I always say, you can build anything you want. You just have to have a dream to go after it and go and get it, guys, and go and take it. Everyone have a blessed day. Peace.